How's it going? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Today we're standing here at Silvercrest. Silvercrest is one of the premier manufacturers in California. They're located in Corona, California. Right now we're standing in front of a park model, 399 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with a loft. You're gonna wanna check out what's up on the roof. This is a solar-powered home, one of the most beautiful homes you've ever seen. We hope you enjoy this tour. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified when we premiere more home tours. Also, we really do appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. We hope you enjoy this tour. Thank you for watching this episode of the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere more home tours. We have several tours coming your way every week. Thank you very much and have a good day.